Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a mom with her children on Mother's Day. Let's draw your mom, her face, her eyes, nose, mouth. I draw her earrings. I draw her hair, her body, she wears a cute dress. I'm going to draw a boy. We draw his face, his hair, his eyes, nose, mouth. He wears t-shirt. Now let's draw a girl, her face, her hair, her eyes, nose and mouth, her dress. They also look very happy. She is hugging them. What a happy day. Let's color now. Dark brown for mom's hair. Cream for skin. Red. Blue. Yellow. Brown, cream, red, yellow, cream, pink, I draw some hearts. Red. I love my mom. Do you love your mom? Light green. Blue. Great job, my little artists. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.